Hello friends, I am Shyam Tamankar. I welcome you all to an audio-visual learning program, MSBT Lead Learning at Your Doorsteps. Here we'll discuss about the course outcome 2, unit outcome 6, part D of your subject management code 22509. So what is the unit outcome 6 part D? Here we will deal with or discuss about team building to accomplish goals. So what is the content or the agenda of this part? First is characteristics of effective team members. In the last part, we have seen the concept of the team. We have seen the effectiveness of the team. Now here we will see the characteristics of the effective team members. So there has to be team members who are effective, have the characteristics as effective team members. What are the benefits of the team? We'll try to understand concept of a team building, and there is a final takeaway of this unit outcome 6. So this is a great thought by Michael Jordan, who was a great player of basketball. What he says is talent win games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. So a certain game may be won by the talent of a certain player, but it is not always the case. If you want to win the championship, then you must work as a team and you must work as an intelligent team. Then and only then you can win the championship. A great thought from a great player. So what are the characteristics of effective team members? We'll see it one by one. So Kormansky and Mozander in 1987 have suggested following characteristic of good team members. They are very simple to understand. I will read out it for you and you can understand it. So the members understand and are committed to the group goals. They are friendly, concerned, and interested in each other. They acknowledge and confront conflict openly. Listen to others with understanding. Include others in decision-making process. Recognize and respect individual difference. Contribute ideas and solutions. Value the ideas and contribution of others. Recognize and reward team efforts. And encourage and appreciate comments about team performance. So these are the characteristics of effective team members, and probably throughout the discussion of the last part, all these characteristics have come out. So I need not keep on explaining each and every characteristics. Now, what are the benefits of teamwork? So when you work as a team, the workload is shared. There is always a chance for you to take the leadership of the team, and that can give you the personal satisfaction. There is a sense of belonging to a successful process. So a sense of belonging is created towards the team, and when you are successful as a team, that sense of belonging becomes more prominent and stronger. Ability to accomplish more than if work done independently. So we have talked about the synergy, that what is the meaning of the synergy, that whatever the work is done by individuals, if you add up, then it is always less than when the individuals come together and work together as a team. So ability to accomplish more than if work done independently. So teamwork makes the dream work. What is the concept of team building? Team building means shaping your people into a productive force. So whosoever are there in your team, you convert them as the productive force. Encouraging them to work cooperatively for and with each other. So you create a cooperation, an atmosphere of cooperation. You work cooperatively for the team, for the organization, and with each other. Getting them to share not just things but feelings too. So they don't only share their things, but they share the feelings of each other, such as each other's success and each other's failure. So they share their failures, they share their successes. You let them grow beyond your control so that they can develop their own special magic. So you just don't keep on directing them or guiding them or controlling them, but you give them the free rein, freedom to work on their own so they can develop their own special magic. So when you transform a group of people from group of individuals into a winning team, you create something unique. So when you are creating a team which has a habit of winning, then you can say that you have created something unique. So this is the concept of team building in short. So what is the final takeaway of this part C and part D about the team? So team building is a journey from individual to a team, that is from I to we. We always say that there is no I in we. So you convert yourself from I to we when you are a member of the team. You forget I. You always think about we. Individuals, particularly great individuals, can create impacts. So there are certain great individuals and individually they can create impacts. But if they work as a team, they can create wonders. Now, what are the examples? Take example of MS Dhoni. So he's a great cricket player, but he created wonders when he created his own team. Now consider the team of Barcelona club in football. So Messi is great as the MS Dhoni is great. He is a captain of Barcelona club or the team of Barcelona club, and you can find that when they work as a team, there are other members of the team who are equally competent as Messi, so they create wonders. Take the case of Tata Motors, who created a complete Indian car named Indica, or an indigenous small car Nano. Here also we can say that Mr. Ratan Tata is a great individual. He has the impact on the policies and the strategies of Tata Motors. But there was a team created to create this car, and so by working as a team, they could create Indica and Nano. So effective teams have ability to bring their goals closer. So they have that ability to bring the goals closer, nearer, and accomplish them early and successfully. So this is the final takeaway of these two parts. So thank you, friends. This was the last part of the last unit outcome. So far we have gone through 6 unit outcome, from unit outcome 1 to unit outcome 6. We divided it into different parts, and I had done certain efforts to make you understand entirely about the course outcome 2 through the 6 unit outcomes. So I think you can appreciate the efforts of MSBTE for this online learning, and probably you can also appreciate my efforts as your counselor and teacher. So thanks a lot. Thank you.